everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another memory spread. We will be memory planning the week of June 15th through June 21st, which is the week of Father's Day, and the kit that I will be using today is this kit from Jackson Pepper called Simple Life. It is in hollow foil. I don't have like any hollow foil, but it's silver hollow, so I was thinking maybe I could pull in some silver foil and make it like a mixed metals type of a spread, because it is just a very dainty sprinkling of foil. So here are your full boxes, your Monday through Sunday, and some headers. Here's your bottom washi and your date covers and some flags and some cut washi. Here are your today and to-do headers, some boxes and labels. And then here you have some little things, habit trackers, bow checklists, and then some mini flags with some icons and a couple pieces of typography. And then I also picked up the header sampler. So that is the kit that I will be using for this week. Before I get into the spread, I'm sure all of you have heard 5001 planners say this now, but if you're in the planner community, you know what's been going on and everything. And I know there's been a lot of like controversy behind the continuation of people using their planners and everything. So I guess what I'm gonna do is just tell you guys what I'm planning on doing. I did purchase an 18-month vertical planner. I hauled it. It was in a couple of videos back, and I already started to do some preliminary planning in it, which means I've like written in it a little bit. I've kind of taken some things out, and anyways, I cannot return it. I've spent the money on it and I'm going to use it. It's just not in the cards for me to get a new planner. It's not feasible when I have a brand new expensive planner sitting on my desk empty. It's been sitting on my desk since April. So anyways, that's my stance. That is what's happening. So just in case you guys are wondering, well, what are you doing, Jen? That's what I'm doing. So like I said, it is an 18-month planner that I bought. It does start in July. I already started doing some prelim planning, so can't really return it. Anyways, hope that makes sense. I don't know. I don't even know. I may take that out. Anyways, now that that's out of the way, I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to speed you guys up. I'm going to lay the bones of the kit down, and then we'll get into the day-to-day plans. This one's going to be kind of just normal, average every day, nothing new. So here we go.
Here I am. No, it's been a while. I was in denial about my love. Here I stand. I know I walked away. Had to find the person I'd become. I was high and I was low. Moved through mountains, rain and snow. But I felt that I was further from the truth. In the dark and stormy night, rolling thunder, flashing light. Heard a whisper in the night, and it said, you should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. That's where you belong. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. You should go back home, go back home, go back home, go. It's been there all along. Here I am. No, it's been a while. I was in denial about my love.
Okay, so the first thing that I want to mark on Monday is that I deep cleaned our kitchen, and to mark that I'm just using a label from the kit, and this little clean kitchen sticker is from the GP Studio. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that we had Chipotle bowls for dinner, and so I'm using this little, she's eating noodles, but it was a bowl of something, so I need to invest in some Chipotle bowls, but this is from Pumpkin Paper Co. And then that yum exclamation is from Carpe Diem sticker book. Then I'm going to use this beautiful silver pen flourish from Honey Inked to try and add a divider and some space. I struggled putting that sticker down, guys. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I took some pictures for promotion for my dad, who is currently working on some music, and he wanted some new promo pictures, so I decided to help him out because I love to edit photos and I love to take photos. So I'm just marking that. You can't see it because, you know, I'm wonderful and never in frame, but I'm using a camera icon from Crafts by Towie, and then that important sticker is from the kit. Then I'm gonna put this beautiful silver half doily from Honey Inked to kind of put some space, but in the center there I'm gonna mark family time because we had some family issues that went on and we needed to take care of that. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna mark that. The next thing that I'm gonna mark is that I filmed my plan with me on this night. Instead of mark that, I'm using a label from the kit, and this little planner girl, this little planner munchkin is from Once More with Love, and then I'm using a film plan with me script from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. There was also some more stuff I wanted to mark, but you know, you couldn't see it because I'm just brilliant. I'm so great at this, guys. I swear I know how to film. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing that I want to mark is that this was payday. So I'm using this little money stack from Rose and Tea Shop, and this payday script is from Planner Kate. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I did some binge watching on Disney Plus on this day. I've been binging a lot of, like, I don't want to say old shows, but like shows that I used to watch as a kid on Disney Channel. Thank goodness for Disney Plus, because when I'm tired of Hulu and I'm tired of Netflix, I can flip on to Disney Plus and I'm like, oh, nostalgia, Smart Guy, Recess, Lizzie McGuire, all that stuff. And I've been binge watching all of it on Disney Plus. So super duper grateful for that. I also wanted to mark on this day that I did some sticker shopping, and so I'm just using this little bow circle icon from the kit, and these cards are again an icon from a $2 Tuesday sheet from Crafts by Towie, and then this shopping script I believe is from a sampler that I have. Jumping down to the next portion of the day, I wanted to mark that Shane took his grandpa to the doctor's office for an appointment that he had, and so I just layered 2 of these flags from the kit, and then I use a little stethoscope from Crafts by Towie, and that adorable little sticky note is from the Giving Girl. And then I broke into some stickers that I haven't even hauled yet, but I had to use this flourish. This is from a $2 Tuesday sheet from Netty Designs, and you guys will see that haul coming soon. It is haul part 2. Then I just wanted to mark that I had a YouTube binge before going to bed. So to mark that, I'm using this little girl from the Fox and Pip, and that YouTube binge sticker is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. Then jumping over to Wednesday, I'm just going to use another header from the kit to give a little bit of separation from the greens. And the first thing that I wanted to mark, well, first of all, I struggled with trying to figure out how I wanted to lay down this mini mandala. I'm really trying to up my layering game. I'm like channeling my inner Rachel and my inner Tay from Shantae Plans and Gathered Plans, but you know, I'm working on it. I'm new at this. But the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I got some Happy Mail on this day. So I layered a mini mandala on the side of that half box, and then that envelope is from Planning Like a Pro, and the Happy Mail script is from my mom's shop. Then I'm gonna use a little divider from Jackson Pepper, which I'm already gonna have to like stock up on more of these dividers because I love what they do to a spread so far. Like, I'm looking at all the ones I have and I'm like, I want to use all of them, but I don't want to waste them. So definitely gonna have to invest in more. But the next thing that I want to mark is that I took a nap on my couch on this day, and I just am using this little sleep mask from GL Designs Group, and that nap time script is from my mom's shop, Boodlesdoodlesdesign. The next thing that I want to mark is that I got to go and actually train my client in person. This is like the first time in forever that I've been able to go and train in person. So to mark that, I'm using a dumbbell from the Fox and Pip, layered on top of a flag from the kit, and then that training script is from Planner Kate. Then I'm going to bring in another bow divider from the kit. I love having an assortment of bow dividers, and I love that I saw Tay of Shantae's Plans use her headers to give some separation, and I love that, and I'm definitely taking it from you, Tay. But then I wanted to mark that I came home and I filmed some workouts for my clients. So I'm using this little yoga mat and weights from the GP Sticker Studio, and then that film script is from my mom's shop. Then to finish off the day, I'm just putting a half mandala because I didn't really have much else to mark. So jumping over to the 18th, the very first thing that I wanted to mark is that I had a pool day with my sweetheart. We just went to the pool in our apartment complex, which was really nice because it's been so hot over here in Texas. Oh, if I could live in the pool, I would. But of course, on the days when I really, really want to go, it's raining, like today. The next thing that I want to mark is that I filmed some more workouts for my client. And to mark that, I'm just using this little sticky note from the Giving Girl. And on the corner, that is a bow from Rose and Tea Shop. And then another thing I wanted to add was like this little thumbtack, almost kind of to make it like a note to self to film videos. I don't know, I thought it was cute. And I'm just going to mark that I filmed some videos for my client. Next thing I'm going to do is lay down this pen flourish from Honey Inked. I'm loving all of these dividers, and I get so inspired every single time I watch Gathered Plans or Shantae Plans, and I try and pick their brains, and of course I lay down like, I don't know if it's going to look good, but you know, I'm loving these stickers. The next thing I wanted to mark is that I had a pizza night, and so to mark that I'm using this little girl from the Fox and Pip, and that pizza night script is from the Happy Planner. And what you can't see here is that I marked going running at the track with my dad, and to mark that I used a label from the kit and a shoe from the GP Sticker Studio. Jumping over to the 19th, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that we slept in on this day. My sleep schedule has been absolutely crazy during all of this pandemic. Like, my days and nights get mixed up and I stay up super late, and it like ruins my day the next day. I've got to get back on a routine because I'm in a rut. But anyways, the next thing that I wanted to mark is that I did receive some Happy Mail on this day, and I'm really excited about this particular Happy Mail because I've been waiting for it for a very, very long time, and I really can't wait for you guys to see the second part of my haul, which should be coming very soon. But I just used an envelope from Rose and Tea Shop, layered on top of a label from the kit, and then that Happy Mail script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. And that divider that I am about to put down is from Jackson Pepper. I love the skinny dividers. Love them. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that Shane and I started a new show on Hulu on this day, and it's called What We Do in the Shadows. If you guys have ever seen The Office, the show is so funny. Like, there is a little bit of a language thing, so just fair warning, you probably won't want to watch this with your kids, but it's so freaking funny. And we started watching it on this night, so to mark that, I'm just using this marquee from Rose and Tea Shop. Then jumping up to the beginning of that column, I wanted to mark that we went over to my sister's house on this day, and I just use a circle bow icon from the kit. That little house is from Rose and Tea Shop. Then the next thing that I wanted to mark on this day is that I did some sticker organization. I get a lot of like satisfaction whenever I come in here and like organize my stickers. After playing with these especially, it gets like super messy in here, and I love coming in and like reorganizing things. Jumping over to Saturday, I layered 2 of the flags from the kit together and marked that it was my brother-in-law's birthday on this day, and so I just used a girl from Fox and Pip and layered a couple of flags from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that we cleaned our house on this day. So I'm using a mop bucket and a vacuum from the cleaning sampler from Rose and Tea Shop. And that clean house script is from my mom's shop, boodlesdoodlesdesign. And then I'm going to use yet another divider from Jackson Pepper. Guys, I'm obsessed with these dividers. I think they're beautiful. But then I'm going to mark that I did a workout actually with my husband on this night in our apartment gym, and to mark that I'm just using these little weights from the GP studio. And then I'm going to use another bow header from the kit to finish off Saturday. Then jumping over to Sunday, I did want to mark that this was Father's Day, and I'm just using a half doily and writing in because I didn't have any holiday stickers yet on this day, so I had to write it in myself. That may change later, but in the meantime, I just wanted to mark it that way. And then I used another bow header, and the next thing that I wanted to mark is that there was a very bad storm on this day. Like I said, on the days when I want to swim, it storms. So to mark that, I'm just using this little rain cloud from GL Designs group and writing it in on a label. Then the next thing that I wanted to mark is that we did have church on this day. We have our services, we stream them through the TV. Thank heavens we can still do that. And we go over to my parents' house on Sundays, and then we go over to his grandparents. So it's like we make Sundays all about our family. So to mark that, I just use another house from Rose and Tea Shop, and that church script is from Planner Kate. And then the last thing I wanted to mark is that I did some cardio with Shane at our apartment gym. These are all the leftovers I have from the kit. Lots of functionals, lots of headers. I feel like I could probably use these extras in my PP weeks. I don't know, we'll see. I saw Kate from Plans with Kate do a leftover PP week spread, and I was really inspired by that. But there is my attempt at a Viv wiggle. Here is a last overview. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying well. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.